Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afi Elizabeth. If this is your first time on my page, how you doing? You get it, Wendy Williams? No? Okay. Today's video is going to be a half up, half down tutorial using crochet hair. This hair is going to be sponsored by a company called Beyond Beauty. They sent me their 8 inches crochet and it's going to be inside of this. Well, it's going to be. It is. It is inside of this beautiful bag. And I did this type of look before, and I had some good reviews, bad reviews, because the good reviews was the hair came out great, the style was beautiful, I was fabulous. The bad review was the music was too loud, I was talking too much. I don't understand why people say you talk too much when it's a tutorial. You're trying to teach someone who can't understand like that, so you have to be detailed. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using for this. They sent me 8 inches. Let's get it together. They sent me 8 inches, and the hair looks like this. Ooh, there's some nice mumbo jumbos. The hair looks like this. Pretty interesting looking. Very tight curls. If you guys can tell. They remind me of the Rick James type of flow. I feel it. No, that's James Brown. Never mind. And they sent me some nice little clips. That's actually the first company that sent me stuff like this. And they also sent me some. Ooh, I need this. I was looking for this. Okay, sis. You gonna send me 2? How stingy, bro. 2 is better than none. Okay, sis. Okay, sis. I see you, sis. Alright, sis. I'll leave the details to where you can purchase this hair down below if I like it. If I don't like it, we don't know what we're going to do with the video. But hopefully I like it. With that being said, I hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, and thumbs up before you leave if you like the style. Leave a comments. All that good stuff, okay? I'm going to start talking. Let's get started. Okay, y'all. For those of you who speak French, ce que je vais faire maintenant, je vais tresser mes cheveux. Ils m'ont envoyé les cheveux là, c'est que j'avais montré pour les gens qui parlent seulement français. Yeah. Si tu aimes cette vidéo, laisse-moi un commentaire en bas là. Et puis aussi, regarde seulement. Je peux pas vraiment expliquer bien en français, mais si tu regardes, tu vas comprendre. But yeah, for those of you who speak English, what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid my hair down. I kind of sped through this process because I feel like it's a typical thing you do when you're about to crochet your hair, is braid the hair. The leftover hair is what I'm going to use as my half up, half down. Yeah, so just watch that, and I'll be back. So with the hair, one thing I did notice is, of course, you can't do it like this, because most of my crochets, if you watch my videos, I like to split my crochets apart. That hair right there, you can't do a lot with it because, well, you can't, you know, part it like that, like I did, because it's gonna tangle. And I've noticed that the curls are not like the pictures. They're kind of like tighted curls. I don't know if these are like 4A type of curls, but they definitely are really tight. And yeah, pour ça j'ai vu que c'est un peu différent que les photos, parce que j'essaie de séparer mes cheveux quand je fais des styles comme ça, mais ça m'a donné un peu de complications, je crois. Ah, t'as là. Na Mexico ça ndeti na sa Congo, mais na koka quitter parce que et puis ça a un peu de complications. So yeah, what I just did was I just started just crocheting it the way it is. But I noticed that the way the hair is like if you stretch it a lot, it kind of loosens up and it gives you that four type of hair. If you're a natural, you know what a four type hair looks like. I think in the video I explained what type of hair this is and my opinion about the hair. So I'm going to just stop talking and allow you guys to watch it until I come on with me speaking. Yeah. But it's nice hair though. It is really nice hair. But yeah, I'm done. Je vais arrêter de parler. Okay, bye. The more I started crocheting the hair, I realized that the curls didn't really look right. Like, it looked really, like, dready slash slingy. I don't know how to explain that, but just by looking at it, it didn't look right. So I decided to, like, pull the hair apart, like, you know, stretch the hair out just to give it that natural look. And I realized that it's going to take a while for me to do that because I started doing that, like, in the middle of the hairstyle. So yeah, so right here I'm just gonna spray my hair with water like I did at the beginning, and yeah. So now that you guys see the difference between the hair. I feel like it doesn't look like the picture, first of all, I'm gonna say that. But it does give me that natural type of four type of hair. I'm not sure if it's the 4C, 4B, but one of those four types of hair. And next I'm going to use my First Touchdown Edge Trimmer Ultimate Touch. SM Beauty sent me these edge control. I actually have one more, which was a purple one. I have no clue where that purple one went. I think I know where it is, but I'm just too lazy to go down and look for it. But they sent me the purple one, which was the Maximum Touch, and this one is the Super Touch. To me, they kind of do the same thing. So yeah, for right now, I'm going to do the Super Touch because I feel like I'm just gonna just because. So they smell so freaking good. I promise you, I feel like that edge control can get you high, boy. It smells like lemon. It smells like really good lemon. But as far as like the edge control, in my opinion, they really do the same thing. Ça fait la même chose. Je vois pas les différences avec les couleurs. I don't really see the difference with the color. I feel like they do the same thing. So with this, y'all, my hair is growing to the point where I can put in a ponytail. Soon we're gonna be putting a full ponytail, so watch out for that. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull my hair up and get a little scrunchie or wrist, whatever you call that, a hairband, and I'm gonna tie it around. I loop the hairband for like at least 5 times. Some people don't find that suitable, but me telling you, that's how I keep my hair tied up as short as it is. And yes, we got it in the hair ponytail. We got it as a ponytail. Yeah. The excitement was real. I was able to put my hair in a ponytail. The growth is real. Some of y'all be hating. Since when you know somebody's hair grows this fast? Anyway, I'm going to use that same hair and I'm going to tie it around. And instead of using a bobby pin, I'm not a big fan of using bobby pins when I do this type of style. I just go with it. And I secure my hair just like I secure my bag. You feel me? Like, I'm just going to tie it around. And like I said, the hair is very like, it's not your natural curls. Like, it's weird. So for me to make the hair look really natural, I have to like stretch it out, which is what I was doing. And if you don't stretch it out, it's gonna look like that. Sorry, I was watching YouTube videos. But if you don't stretch it out, it's gonna look like that. Maintenant, le problème avec ces cheveux, c'est un peu différent que les cheveux que j'utilise. Si tu veux que ça se vient un peu, ça se voit, mais ça se voit un peu neat, tu peux faire ça comme ça. Mais pour moi, je voulais que ça se voit comme mes cheveux. Hein? Je suis en train de tirer ça pour que ça se voit comme mes cheveux. Et puis, si tu veux que ça évande vraiment bien, il faut vraiment faire ça quand je suis en train de faire. Mais ko salango vraiment tight te parce que ce que salango tight et qu'on vende et puis qu'on longwa, ok, d'accord, j'essaie de faire ça en lingala aussi si tu comprends, mais c'est comme ça que moi j'ai fait ça. Ces cheveux ici c'était pas vraiment, c'est pas les mêmes cheveux que j'utilise pour faire le style comme ça, mais c'est un peu différent. Si tu aimes ça, tu peux acheter. Si tu n'aimes pas ça, tu n'as pas besoin d'acheter. On m'a envoyé les trucs ici. Ils m'ont donné 3. Hein? Je vais faire quoi avec 3? Mais j'ai essayé. They sent me these little play toy looking things. Decorative thing. They gave me 3 of them. 3 for me wasn't enough. But we made it work. I just did that just because I don't know. Plus, I wasn't going to keep the hairstyle for long. Then I did my little baby hair. You know, I'm not really over the top with my baby hair, but we tried. And yeah, the hair looks like this. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I didn't find it bad at all. So guys, this is how the hair looks like. It's definitely not like the picture looks like. I like it because it looks really natural. Like if you look at it, it looks very, very natural for a hairstyle like this. If you have a 4C type of hair, this hair will be really bomb for like a natural look, for like whether you want to do a crochet or half up, half down type of look. This hairstyle will blend in just fine with your natural hair. As far as like for me, I like it better half up, half down, because I know for a fact if I was to do like an actual full crochet look, I won't like it. One thing I did notice is when you stretch it out, that's what happens to the actual, that's what makes it like this, is when you like stretch out the hair. So like it's weird. Like you could keep it like this. For me, it didn't like, it wasn't coming out like this because I was pulling it. And then I realized, oh, if I stretch it out, it will really look natural. But this is how it looks. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with it. You just need to trim the bottom. If you want, you can trim it. If not, you can keep it like this. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave the link down below if you want to purchase the hair and try it out for yourself. And I'm out. Bye guys.